Good day everyone, and welcome to our Cash Cycler script demonstration. I'll be showing you step-by-step installation guide on installing this script from the cPanel, as well as reviewing the script so that you know that this is one of our best scripts. It is totally bug free, no bug at all, and it works perfectly well. I repeat, it works perfectly well. I'm going to start by showing you the cPanel. Okay, this is the cPanel of my host. You go to File Manager in a bid to install the script. So when you get to the File Manager, you locate the folder at which you want to install your script. You could want to install it in the public_HTML, that's the root file of your domain, or your subdomain. In this case, I'm installing on cashcycler.scriptsng.tech, and as you can see, we have the script here already. If you purchase the script from us, you are going to be getting this file. So all you have to do is to click on upload. After you click on upload, you locate the file and you get to upload the script. So I'm trying to upload the script right now. Select file, then I'm going to locate the file by scriptsng. So if you purchase the script from us, you are going to be getting these three files. Let me change the scope here. So this is the script, Cash Cycler Official, and this is the installation guide, and this is the database SQL file. So installing the Cash Cycler Official script, it's going to upload it to the subdomain right now. So it is telling me that I have one that exists already. So we have the script here, the Cash Cycler Official script. So the next stage is to extract this script in your cPanel, as I am trying to do now. Extract file. So after you are done extracting the file, you get all the files over here. Then you go to your main menu for your cPanel, and you go to database. You go to create a new database. The name of the database I'm trying to create now is Cash Cycler. Then click on create database. Don't forget that you have to add the user too after you are done creating the database. Cash Cycler, you give it a password, type the password again. After you are done creating the user, you go to the add user to database, and you add user, the user you created into the database you also created, and you click on add, as I am doing now. You tick all privileges so that the database could be given all privileges, and you click on make changes. So after you are done creating the database and creating the database user, you go to your phpMyAdmin. You locate your database, the database you just created, which is Cash Cycler in this case. Then you click on import to import the database, the folder you have bought. We have the database, the scriptsng Cash Cycler database. You double click on it, and you click on go. So the database has successfully installed. As you can see, me clicking on Cash Cycler database over here. So we have the database. So after this step, you go back to your file manager and locate the folder inc. Then you edit the config.php file, as I'm doing now. You put the username, you put the password, and you put the domain name. As you can see, this is the username here, this is the password, and this is the domain name. Then you click on save changes. After you are done with that, you could check your website, cashcycler.scriptsng.tech. Oh, wonderful. So this is the wonderful home page we have developed. As you can see, pay out and get help. We add that gives, gathers, and blah blah blah. You could change all the content of this page via the index.php file. This is the home page. This is a Talk2 plugin. To get this Talk2 plugin, all you have to do is to register on Talk.2. Then it gives you a snippet, it gives you a code. Then you put the code in the index.php file as well, so that you can chat with users that comes on your website. As you can see, we have a very colorful and a very beautiful home page here. I must confess that this is one of the most beautiful scripts we have created in recent times. Yeah, we have the image gallery over here. You could zoom it. We have the testimonial over here. We have the testimonials, and we have the contact form over here. Then the footer and the footer notes. So here's another overview of the website. Yeah. So the next thing to do now is to go to the website /install/setting.php. Yeah, here is the page where you set in all your details. Over here you put your site URL. So all the links on the website takes a cue from your URL. So it is very, very important. Over here you put your site name. Over here you put the site email address. Over here you put the slug. Over here you put the slug for the website. Over here you put the site title. Put your phone number if applicable. Then here is where you enter your rate on investment. Rate of investment means, if someone invests, let's say 100,000 naira today, and how much does he get after the stipulated time? If I invest 100k today and the rate on investment is 70%, so that means I'll get 170,000 naira as get help at the end of the stipulated time. Now here's the system reserve. This is in a bid to make sure that the admin gets money without looking for other dubious ways of getting money via the script. Once the system reserve is set, for example, if I set the system reserve at 10%, that means out of that 170k the user is to get, that means 10% of the 170k gets reserved in the system, and as such the admin is able to withdraw that amount. That's 17k for 170k, if my mathematics is right. Then this is the first commitment. Everybody knows what the first commitment means. If I'm to PH 100,000 and the first commitment is set at 100%, so that means I'll have to commit all the 100,000 naira I'm going to be PHing. Here's the auto merge, the first auto merge. If you want it to the admin, if you want it to the member, and if you don't want it at all, if you want to be doing it manually. The referral earnings for the referral package, the script comes with the referral package as well. Here's the auto purge time. The auto purge time is the amount of time the system is bound to remove the user if he or she fails to fulfill his or her pledge, provide help pledge. This is the number of recommitment time. This is the phone verification tab. Yes or no, if you want it on or not. This is the site Facebook, the Twitter, the Telegram, the WhatsApp link, the SMS username. If you click on this get started, it will take you to our recommended SMS provider, which is Smart SMS Solutions. Immediately you do that, you put your username and password here, and the system could work on auto text message. Then you update the form. You click on update. Showing you the registration page for every user that comes to register. Here is the beautiful registration page. We have the first name, last name, username, email address, password, the phone number, and sign up. As you can see, it's a very beautiful script. Then the login page. Here is the login page. So after signing in as a normal user, here is the dashboard of every normal user. As you can see, the dashboard is very simple and creative. Now the payout, it means provide help, and this cash out money means get help. So if I'd like to provide help of, let's say, 20,000 naira, that means with the settings here in, I'm going to be getting 70% after the stipulated time as set by the admin. So here's the provide help and here's the get help. Here's my details, the account details, the bank details, the account statement, the additional statistics for every user. So immediately I provide help, the system is going to, you'll be merged to receive from other participants. Keep refreshing. Immediately I provide help, the system is going to merge me either to the admin or to the member in queue. So I believe that after the first merging to the admin, you should actually change that settings to members so that the system can can work automatically by itself. So going to the admin dashboard, that's the dashboard of the owner. You go to your website /admin and you log in. You have the admin dashboard over here, you have the member dashboard, you have the site settings, you have the manage members, you have the SMS balance, and a lot of other features. You can assign match, that's the manual merging. We have the manual match tab also. You can top up anybody's account if you feel like assigning match to someone manually. This is the recycle bin for all the deleted users, maybe as a result of not fulfilling their pledge. And here is where you can add news. And the good thing is that when you add news via this tab, it goes to the home page directly. It shows the news on the home page almost immediately. And here you can see all the members in the system at the moment. Here you can see all the donations. Here you can see all the merge, and here you can see all the news. So the script is just an awesome script with a wonderful template to work with. Every user that comes to your website would want to work with you because it looks so professional and original. This is the dashboard. This is the admin dashboard as well. I hope you understand everything herein. If you have any questions or you want to purchase the script immediately, please contact the phone number that comes with this video, 0811 019 7961. You could contact us on WhatsApp. We will always reply your messages on WhatsApp, and you could also give us a call on that same line. Thank you, and God bless you.